Hey everyone, happy St. Patrick's Day. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a St. Patrick's Day Godzilla. So I hope you get to follow along, enjoy this video, and have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Now to start off with our St. Patrick's Day Godzilla, let's begin right here. I'm going to start the eye, and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come back like a check mark. Next, we're going to bring this line down and then up for the eye. I'm going to make this line come back a little bit farther, and then we're going to go in with another little line here for some detail. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back like this and then in. Now starting up here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come back here in like a smile shape. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back and then up here. Right here we'll do a little dot for the nose. And then we're going to add some teeth. We'll just put a few little pointed triangles up here and some little pointed ones at the bottom as well. Now our next step is to make the back. So I'm going to draw a couple lines that go down and then in like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down like this. Next, we want to make the arm. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. Next, we'll make it come down at an angle, and we're going to add a little line that curves down. I'm going to bring this line up to a point, and then we'll go down again, and one more here. Next, we're going to bring this line up at an angle, and then we're going to bring it up here for the arm. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down for the stomach. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go back a little bit. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point, and then back for one of the toes. We'll do another one here. We'll make it a little smaller. We just go down and then come back. Next, we're going to bring this line back. We're going to come up and just kind of go up at an angle here. Bring it pretty close to this line, leaving just a little bit of space. Next, I'm going to make this line come down a little bit, and we're just going to curve it up and around here. Then we're going to do the same thing with this line. We're just going to curve this around. I'm going to bring this up and connect it to here. Now I want to add the other leg over here. So let's just do that same thing. We're going to bring this line down. We're going to make this line come out and then back, and then one more here. We'll also make that other arm up here. We'll do that by just drawing a little line that's going to come down. Then we're just going to curve this line down and up, and we'll just do one more here. Starting here, let's make a line that comes down to the arm, and then we'll jump over and bring it to the leg. Then right here, I'm just going to draw this line all the way down towards the end of the tail. Next, let's add a few little curved lines right along here just to show a little bit of detail on the stomach. So we're going to do this all the way down the tail. Now up here I want to give him a little hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come up. We're going to go up a little bit. Then we're going to bring this down. We're going to go down a little bit more and then bring it back. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and then down. We'll make a little line across and two little lines up here. Now, for his spikes, what I'm going to do is we're going to kind of make these look like clovers. So to do this, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down at an angle. Then I'm going to make this line come up and go over. I'm going to bring this line in just a little bit. Then we're going to go up at an angle and then down. This looks like he's got some little clovers on his back. Let's do this again. We're going to go up and down at an angle. We're going to come up, over, and then in. Go up at an angle and down. Now I'm just going to repeat this a few more times, and I'm going to make these get a little bit smaller as they come down the body and go closer towards the tail. Now if you don't want to do these little clover ones, you don't have to. This is just something fun to kind of make it look a little bit more like a St. Patrick's Day Godzilla. Now, down here, I'm going to make a little pot of gold. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a little line that comes across. We're going to make a little line that goes down, over, and then it's going to come up here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around for the pot. And on each side, let's add a little bump. Inside each of these bumps, just go ahead and add a little line. Now in here for the gold, I'm just going to make some little kind of squared rectangle shapes in here. And I'm just going to stack these each on top of here. So just some more little rectangular ones. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add a little circle right underneath his chin. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, down, and back for like a bow tie. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go up, down, and back. We'll just kind of use that scale shape right there. And we'll add a little line inside each one. Now up here I want to make his little atomic blast coming out. So to do that, I'm just going to draw a long line that's going to come all the way to the end of my paper, and then one over here. I'm going to make it come all the way to the end of the paper. And there you go. There is your drawing of a St. Patrick's Day Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.